So, how do we go about this loveliness? If I wanted to label this with A's, what would I do? You gotta know the difference between 45 and the 30, 60, 90. What side lengths are A's? What are they for 45, 45, 90s? X and Y are A and A, and that makes this guy across from the 90-degree what? A root 2. So these kind of knock out, yeah, and A is 5. That's it. Moving on. What about a 30, 60, 90? For a 30, 60, 90 they are. So it's two scenarios.
So across from the hypotenuse.
Across from the hypotenuse is what? This guy is your 2A. Good. Which side is going to be 6? V. Good. This guy is just A, and since 12 equals 2A, if you really want to solve it all out, you absolutely can, if it makes you happy. If you can just see that the answer is 6, that's totally fine. So this side is going to be 6, and what's this guy going to be? 6 root 3. Very nice. So far, so good? Not too bad? Okay. And then when we put them together. So we got this triangle. Which is what kind of triangle? This guy's a 45, 45. Good. And then we have this guy separately. Which is a 60 and a 30. And our goal is to get this length down here. So, if this guy's 9, what can you tell me? The other side is also going to be 9. This guy's going to be what? A root 2, which will be 9 times the square root of 2. And then it's got to be the same length as that guy, right? Okay. So if this guy is 9 times the square root of 2, it wouldn't have to be. This guy is 9 root 2. If I label this guy with A's, what does it turn into? My 30, 60, 90. Which one's what? Where does A go? No? This guy is going to be A times the square root of 3, because it's across from 60. What's this guy going to be? It's across from 30. Just A. 2A is the hypotenuse, right? 9 square root of 2 equals 2A. How would one solve such a thing? How do I solve for X? No. What's the only thing you got to get away from A? Divide by 2. So even if it looks ugly, this is what A is. Doesn't matter. Still works. So this guy over here is 9 square root of 2 divided by 2. So what would X be? What do I have to do? You multiply this guy by the square root of 3, because no matter what A is, no matter how gross it looks, there's my A, and I'm tacking on the end of it a square root of 3. Okay? Yeah. You have a mixed practice? I'll bust that out. We have advanced games.